Hey, are you looking for that Grand Slam tailgating recipe? Well, look no further than these cheesy Southwest Chicken Quesadillas on the Blackstone Griddle. Boy, everybody around you, that tailgate, they're gonna be a little jealous. Get ready, it's gonna be some good groceries, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, to get started, we're going to make a cilantro lime crema to go on our quesadilla. We're going to start out with about half a cup of sour cream, and we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. And then we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, really, really fine. We're going to hit it with a little bit of Blackstone street taco, bring a little bit of those chilies into the game, make it nice and vibrant. This isn't as thin as I'd like, so I'm going to add a juice of another lime to this. I'll mix that up. I really like this consistency. That's going to go really great on our quesadillas. All right, now our cheese of choice. I'm going to use some Oaxaca cheese, and then I'm also going to use some queso quesadilla cheese. These are very, very good melting cheeses. Makes it really gooey, makes it really good groceries. And there we go. And, you know, little treat for the chef. I love that cheese. All right, I told you this is going to be easy. Easy Southwest quesadillas. Everything's prepared for us already. I'm going to use an onion and tricolor peppered frozen vegetable mix. Goes really, really well. I'm going to use a little bit of corn. And this is just ready-made chicken breast that you can find in your refrigerated section or frozen section. And you can use that for this. It makes it so easy and so good. And this is just a can of black beans that I've put in a strainer, strained them, put them in a bowl. And there you have it. That's going to be our Southwest Chicken Quesadillas. To get started, we're going to take some butter and lay down on a pre-warmed griddle. I got my griddle pre-warmed to about a medium heat. Then we're going to lay our peppers and onions down first. Those are frozen along with the corn. I'm going to put those down first and let them start cooking. Then we're going to come in with our black beans and just kind of put that on top. After about a minute or so, now we just want to fan this out, just mix it up really well, just to make sure your colors and your combinations kind of look great. I really like the looks of this. You got the red, you got the green, you got the yellow, got the black beans in there. It just really looks colorful. Hey, thanks for watching so far. Hey, I appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. Once you got your vegetables over there hanging out, getting happy, now it's time to get our chicken ready. And we're going to get that cooking over here beside of the vegetables. If you see you got a lot of bigger pieces of chicken strips, just come in with your spatula, just cut them down a little bit into bite-sized pieces. Once everything's kind of cooked through, you know, it's not frozen no more, now we're just going to take everything and put it together. Everybody is one happy family. Look how colorful, look how beautiful that is. We're going to come in with a little bit of this Blackstone Street taco. Really bring that Fiesta blend, some chilies, really bring it in. Last but not least, I like to come in with this is just a little bit of Hatch green chili salsa. It's not real hot, it just kind of gives it a little something extra. Everything's done. I'm going to put it over here on the side. Cut this burner off. I'm just going to let everything just kind of warm. Now it's time to start building our quesadillas. I want to take some ample amounts of butter and just rub all across the griddle top. Then we're going to throw our extra large flour tortillas down onto that. Once the tortillas are on there, now we're going to come in with some of our cheese. I'll come down with the Oaxaca first. Now we're going to come in with our filling. Come in here and top our Oaxaca with our chicken mixture. Now we're going to come in with our queso quesadilla. Now we're going to come in and we're just going to take this side of the tortilla and flip it over. Let's line them up. We might have company. You don't want them talking trash about not being organized. We're going to let that side toast up. Then we're going to flip it over and let it go on the other side. So it's been about 2 minutes on this other side. Let's get these things off. Let's get them cut. Let's give them a try. Man, would you look at these things? Boy, they are beautiful. All right, so now we're just going to come in and we're going to cut these into 4s. All right, after we've cut these up, now, because we're all fancy, right? I'm going to take a little bit of cilantro and just come in here. We want to make this pretty, because we're pretty. Now, come in here with a little bit of our sauce. Whew, boy, son, what you talking about? That's some good-looking groceries right there, y'all. Boys and girls, I am ready to try this quesadilla. This thing is ooey and gooey, and I cannot wait to try it. I'm going to try to get this one right here. All right. Ooh-wee, boys and girls, look at that. All right, let's give this a dip. Oh man, that chicken tastes so good. People won't even know that you got that out of a bag. Same thing for the peppers and onions. It tastes beautiful. And that cheese is so ooey and so gooey. Man, these Southwest quesadillas, they are amazing, and you'll love them too, I guarantee it. Hey, thanks for stopping by and giving a look. I sure appreciate it. I'm sure you and everybody else at your tailgating event are going to love these chicken quesadillas. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other Griddle Week recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.